Today what we are going to see Health GIS. For medical purpose, what we are doing, we have to prepare some map. Who is in charge for our ward boundary? Who is taking care of this small hometown? What are the administrative boundary present around us? These are the information we should provide in web-based thing. Also, if they want to know who is in charge for that particular ward boundary, the name of the person has been given. It may be based on shift. The person name may be vary. There is no constant. After 1 or 2 years go down, they may be transferred to some other location. It is also happening. We don't know who is in charge for our particular ward. For that reason, we can access, we can call them. That is also a very difficult thing. If we click that particular polygon, that UPHC, Urban Public Health Center, Tamil Vani, that madam name, number also given here. We can contact her. She may be roaming here and there, visiting so many places. It may be pregnant woman. They may be visit so many places here and there. We will not able to find particular location. They may be if we require any help from her, we can contact by using this web map. Whenever you click, you can get that administrative ward boundary. It is not available in Google. So the ward boundary we can see, the name of the person and their phone number also we could display. Also how many patients in that particular area and how many pregnant women, aged people, what kind of patients are there, we can display as a point data. We can if you require in future in this area mainly affected by corona, so whether you can find some alternate route, because they are blocking their houses. There is no proper way to move the vehicles also. It is happening. So we can give some better solution by using this kind of map. The map has some other basic features. It may be railways, road, street and other landmarks like that. Church, college, government office, hospital, hotel, mosque and petrol pump, like that. It is almost equal to Google, but we can update what are the new thing arrived that could update frequently. Railways, streets, we can give some more information about the same. Also it can be used to register some issues, tickets. In this area there is no garbage collection centers, there is no baskets not available in these locations. People are throwing all their waste this particular location, like that they can give that information. We also can prepare such kind of map. Okay, so that in that way people can manage. There is no water stagnant area here, some water stagnant area is there. People can tell to the government also, so through this kind of web map, right? I think it may be very useful. It was prepared for Salem city with the help of one sponsor. We were expecting some project for entire state. We will see. It may be implemented entire state. Wherever we travel, we can get some government official, those who are on duty. We can contact them any particular help. No need to go in private doctors, and wherever small walking distance also we can get the this kind of facility from the government side. People can use this map. Also it has some GPS enabling facility. If you don't know the location, who is the in charge, just enable this GPS. You can that it will indicate the current location like that. Okay, so current location, I was far away from that map location. Okay, for that reason it is not showing. Okay, so if you know, if you have this kind of data, that can be used for various applications. Okay, I think it may be helpful to you to understand all the information that has been provided, basic needs. No need to go private hospital. Also we can use our government doctor who is in charge for our particular location, their phone numbers, and shift basis, which shift who is taking care, like that we can get all the information. It may be useful to you, I think, right? I'm stopping here. If you require a similar kind of application, small thing that can be developed for you also on trial basis. Thank you very much.